out the latest Corvette here that's been traded in at Unique 1988 Chevrolet Corvette in gray metallic. Very few of these made in this color, actually only 644 of them. This particular car has a little over 34,000 miles is all. Extremely clean, well taken care of car. Can tell it's been adult owned. There is no accidents, anything indicated on the Carfax, confirms the miles. I take a look at the nose of this. I mean, it's not chipped up, scratched up, any of the typical road debris you get. Interior is as nice as the exterior on this, very clean. The underside engine bay also. You can check out all the still pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com, or if you got any questions, like to inquire about it, feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. You can also see the wheels are in nice shape, no curb rash on the outer edges of the wheels. Take a look at the interior. It does have the removable top, obviously. Seats and everything on the interior just as nice. Dash is not cracked. Manual transmission, Bose system in there. All the power goodies you'd expect. AC, power steering, power brakes. Again, check out the underside pics too. You'll see how clean this car is. Engine bay. All those pictures, the still pics, can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, the number is 507-386-1726. Come around to the driver's side here. Check out the seat here too. See the bolster still in nice shape. Just a little bit of the kind of the crinkles you get from how the leather wears, but no rips or tears or anything like that. This also has kind of a cool, took the top out, so there's the tool for the top is included with it, owner's manual and everything. Check out these floor mats. They're kind of a formed, fitted plastic floor mat that's been in here. So carpeting's, everything else underneath, very nice shape. I'm going to go ahead and start this up for you so you can hear it run. Everything in the dash works fine. Here's your miles up in the corner. What is it? 34,213. The coolant temp says low just because the car hasn't come up to temperature yet. That's not low coolant or anything like that. You can also change oil pressure, oil temp. So that goes to low, volts, trip, all of that works. There's your range, 161 miles to empty. So dash all works. There's your Bose system. It does have power seats both sides too. And here's the tool that will be in the center console for taking off the removable top. And there's your power seats on both sides, power windows, power mirrors. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. What you expect a stock 1988 Corvette to sound like. I'll slip around, pop the hood too, so you can hear the engine and check out that engine compartment. Alright, pause it there to give me a second to pop the hood. As you can see, very nice and clean and tidy under here. Just have some plug wires improved, put on underneath there. Hear how smooth it runs. Also see the rubber is good shape on the front. Very nice car. There you have it, 1988 Chevrolet Corvette. A little over 34,000 miles on it. Again, check out the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call too at 507-386-1726.